Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and at the end, get a clean list of leads with all the information you need. For example, the first name, last name, company name, and of course, the LinkedIn URL and the verified emails of your leads. So let's start. Alright, so as you can see, I'm currently on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I've made a search where I want to target people who are head of marketing in New York, and I want a company headcount between 51 to 200 people. So I target small companies. And now you see on the right the results. So you see that I have more than 700 results. And if we check our leads, we have people who are head of marketing in New York. So head of growth and product marketing, head of marketing, and so on. Now, once you want to export this list of leads, unfortunately, you can't do that natively with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And that's why you need a third-party tool like GiveMeLeads, for example, to extract these people and find their emails if you want. So if you want to have a button like this one, extract leads, you can go on givemeleads.io, or you just need to click the first link in the description. Then once you are on this page, you need to create your account. So you click on Start for free. Here you can sign up with Google, or you can give your email. And then you need to install the Chrome extension. So you click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Once you've installed the Chrome extension, you will see a button like this one, Extract Leads. So it's from GiveMeLeads. And now, once you are happy with your search and you want to export these people, all you need to do is to click here on Extract Leads. Then you will be redirected to your GiveMeLeads account. Here you can give the number of leads you want to export. So let's say just for this tutorial, 100. Then if you want, you can get the emails of your leads. So always useful if you want to send a cold email. And finally, we click on Export Leads. And now we just need to wait a little bit and I will get my export. But just before, I will rename my export with the filters I've used to identify these people. So I target people who are head of marketing in New York. And these people are in the company headcount between 51 to 200 people. Perfect. And now we just need to wait a few minutes. All right. So as you can see, my export is done. And now if I want to see my list, I just need to click here on Download CSV. So here is my list of leads. And if I scroll, we see that we have 100 leads, which is perfect. On top, you see that we have all the information of our leads. So we have the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. We have the emails of our leads. And it's always useful if you want to send cold emails. Here, when it's verified, it means that this email address is safe for your email account. Here you have the job title, location, and actually you have much more information. For example, here you have the company name, company website. So always useful if you want to personalize your messages with AI, company location, company industry, and so on. So when you export your leads with GiveMeLeads, we do two things. First, we clean the data. So for the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any problems with capital letters or with emojis. For example, you don't have Lisa with a rocket emoji at the end. So if you want to say in your messages, hi first name, you don't have any problems. So basically with this feature, you don't need to waste your time to clean the data because we do it for you. And now the second thing we do is to make sure that every single lead perfectly matches all your filters. So that's why on the left, you see two columns. So we have matches filters and invalid reason. So when it's true, it means that the lead perfectly matches all your filters. But if I scroll, you will see that some people have false. And here you have the reason. So wrong job title. And if we check the job title of Natalie, we have head of growth and product marketing. So basically, she is not head of marketing. And same below here, you see marketing manager, and same here, you see head of field marketing. So if you want to only reach out to people who are head of marketing, what you can do is to remove these people, or if it's still relevant, you can just keep these people into your lead list. So with this feature, you don't need to waste your time to check if your leads match your filters, because we do it for you, and you know that you only reach out to people who are interesting for you. So at the end, for this tutorial, what I want to do is to remove all the people with false. So like this. And now I know that I only have people who are head of marketing in New York in a company headcount between 51 to 200 people. And now what you can do with a list like this one is to upload it directly in your favorite outreach tool. For example, in my case, I use instantly.ai to send cold emails. And now if you want to import these people from LinkedIn Sales Navigator into Instantly, very easy. So you go here in campaigns, then you click on add new, then you create your campaign, and here you can add some leads. So here I click on upload CSV, and now here I can upload my list of leads. So I've just uploaded my list of leads, and now what I need to do is to map the column headers from my list of leads with the instantly variables. So make sure that you have at least first name with first name, because you want to say hi first name in your cold email or your LinkedIn messages, and email with email. And finally, at the end, you just need to click on upload all and then OK. And now if I go here in leads, you see all the people that we've exported from LinkedIn Sales Navigator with GiveMeLeads. And now the next step, of course, is to create a sequence and send our cold email or LinkedIn messages if you want. So you see that with this process, you can easily export leads from a LinkedIn Sales Navigator search like this one. And by using GiveMeLeads, you will get a list of leads like this one, where you have all the information you need to reach out to your leads. So if you want to easily export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get a clean list of leads, you can try GiveMeLeads for free. And so for that, you just need to click the first link in the description. And now, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find decision makers, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.